To easily find a song you are looking for with SongSearch widget on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to add the SongSearch widget to your home screen. To do so, on your home screen, long tap on an empty area, and then tap widget at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down the widget screen to find Google, or you can quickly find the widget by tapping its name on the search bar. Type Google. Next, tap and hold the SongSearch widget and then drag it to the desired area on your home screen. Release the widget to place it. As you can see, now the SongSearch widget has been added to your home screen. To use this widget, tap the SongSearch widget and then play, sing or hum a song. In a few seconds, it will show a list of matching songs with its singer and title. If needed, you can tap a song from the list to open it on the Google search. Okay, thank you for watching. Please have to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.